This 1937 Cord 812 Supercharged Phaeton will rise from neglect to elegance again. We will restore every surface slowly and let the 1937 Cord 812 Supercharged Phaeton speak through detail.
Ah, look at this beauty. A Cord 812. Been sitting here for a while, I reckon. She needs a lot of work, but the lines are still there. Look at the state of this. Needs everything. That's a serious restoration.
Please. Look at this. It's a 1937 Cord 812. Been sitting here for years, just waiting.
Tighten the slack, then we're good to go. All right, nice and easy. That's it. Keep it coming. Almost there. Looks good, John. Just a little more. Perfect. Secure it. Well, here she is, just as described. So much potential under all that dust.
Welcome to SK Restoration. Take a look at this magnificent 1937 Cord 812 Supercharged Phaeton, our latest completed project. It's a true beauty. Look at the history in this trim. It's a genuine 1937 Cord. So much potential.
All right, just a little more leverage now. There, got it, one down.
Yep.
Now for this side, that's better.
Yeah.
Heavy beast, she's off.
All right, let's see what's hiding under here. Yeah, that's the original black. Beautiful. All right, let's take a look at this. Definitely needs some work.
This is a true survivor, untouched for decades, a mechanical time capsule.
All right, careful here. We don't want to snap the post. Gently does it. You can see where all the gunk has been hiding. It's pretty satisfying to finally break that seal. You can see where it was sealed and just how much dirt built up under here. It really tells a story. The moment of truth. We're carefully releasing this 70-year-old trim. Look at that. Preserved black paint underneath all the dust, just as we hoped. The rear seat's out, revealing the original sleek roof lines and compact cabin. There's so much history trapped in this dust. This is a crucial piece from a 1937 Cord 812. Every detail matters. The fragile wiring here, you can see how delicate it is after all these years.
All right, raising the fender now. Smooth operation. Reveals the hidden beauty of the chassis. Looking good.
Every part accounted for. It's ready for the next stage of revival.
First rinse. Let's see what we're working with here. Looking good, Jim. Looking good.
All right, let's get this grime off here. Looking good, ready for a rinse.
The Supercharged Phaeton is a rare beauty. Clearing the final foam reveals the pristine black paint underneath, a testament to the Cord's enduring legacy.
All right, targeting the suspension components now. The cord has some deep set grease in here.
Yeah, that steam really gets in there, breaks it down quickly.
And here we have the clean shell of the 1937 Cord 812 Supercharged Phaeton. Look at that wide horizontal grille. right, looking good. Just need to feather that edge out a bit more.
You can see where it was low here, but the cord's original line is coming back through.
See that flow now?
Perfect, getting there.
You have to go slow. Feel the edge, listen to the tap, and the metal will tell you what it needs. All right, just a bit more here. Get this line perfect. Looking good, Jim. Almost seamless now. Yeah, she's coming back to life. The gap is looking perfect now, just needs the final adjustments. 1 millimeter here, 1 millimeter there. The contours are precise, the grille face is perfectly aligned, and the fender rhythm is smooth. Ready for the next stage. The black mist touches the metal, revealing the heart of the original color. Beautiful. The even black coverage along the doors and rear quarter of this 1937 Cord 812 truly restores. The clear coat is flowing beautifully. This cord is going to be spectacular. You can see the haze lifting right off here. Just needs a little more elbow grease. After months of hard work, we finally did it. The 1937 Cord 812 Supercharged Phaeton restored to its former glory. Take a look. Time to tackle this grease. Look at that difference. Clean as a whistle.
Restoration isn't just about preserving history, it's about revealing the craftsmanship beneath the grime. Watching the oxidation lift from this cord
Precision meets old mechanical wear. Perfect. The heart of the Phaeton, restored to perfection. The torque is critical here. perfect fit. That's the Cord 812 Supercharged Phaeton, back in action. Perfect. She's seated. With the new wheels on, this 1937 Cord is really starting to look like the beauty she was meant to be. All right, lowering now, nice and slow. There it is, perfect. After countless hours, the heart of the 1937 Cord 812 is finally home. The supercharged V8 and
The heart of the Cord. These frames have seen a lifetime of wear, but now, renewed, they'll see decades more.
exceptional craftsmanship. You have to get this just right. The seams need to be perfect before we secure it. All right, that is perfect. Ready to go back in.
The heart of the Cord. Watch the shine come back. Just the right amount. Now let's bring it back to life. Perfect. Like new, but better. Original and restored.
The heart of the Cord. Absolutely perfect.
Precision is key to preserving this history. Now, for the final touch. Perfection.
Precision, every single gauge and switch back in its rightful place. SK Restoration is about more than just cars. It's history brought back to life. Yeah. Perfect. It feels brand new. All right, easy does it. Looking good. Just need to seat these down now. Perfect. All right, panels back. Just a little trim adjustment. Perfect. Looking good. The restoration is complete. Look at that Cord interior, period correct, refined. This is what SK Restoration is all about. I've put a lot of work into this beauty, and it's finally ready. Take a look. All right, the bumper is on, perfectly aligned. Excellent. Let's get these headlights in now.
This restored 1937 Cord 812 Supercharged Phaeton, in its fixed coupe form, showcases
This isn't just a car, it's history. Now, what makes the 812 so special? Look at this grille, timeless. Now let's hear it.
All right, beauty, let's show them what we've got. Perfect. Just perfect.
If you want more restorations of legends like this 1937 Cord 812 Supercharged Phaeton, stay with us for the next journey.
Subscribe and we will bring another forgotten masterpiece back to life after the 1937 Cord 812 Supercharged Phaeton.